Viewers, the most politically charged of all fights has definitely been West Bengal. Both phases have seen a bumper voter turnout. Fighting for a fourth term, Mamata Banerjee says she's confident of a comeback with at least two-thirds majority.
CRPF cannot torture like this. See, no state police is there.
None of the booths are state police.
None of the booths. All their captured. Is it their duty? They should secure the border. Instead of secure the border, they are securing one political party.
CRPF, anything on CRPF, ma'am, violence is happening, ma'am.
It is because of CRPF. हमारा पास सब जानकारी है। देखो आपको
आईएनएस के जो वॉरशिप है और जो रफाल है वो डिप्लॉय करना बाकी है। आप वो भी कर दो। जो चीज आपको बांग्लादेश और पाकिस्तान के खिलाफ करना चाहिए वो आप बंगाल के लोगों के खिलाफ कर रहे हो और हमें बांग्लादेशी बुलाते हो। मैंने जो बोला है 1 साल पहले कि तृणमूल का वोट परसेंटेज और जितने सीट 21 में मिला था उससे ज्यादा और बड़ा बहुमत से तृणमूल चौथी बार सरकार बनाने जा रही है।
And viewers, Times Group editor-in-chief Navika Kumar has exclusively spoken to managing editor of Access My India on West Bengal numbers. Listen in to what he said.
Mr. Pradeep Gupta, you haven't released the West Bengal numbers. ये जो suspense आपका है ना, it is killing everybody. Can you please tell us what is happening in Bengal? Tectonic shifts are happening or more of the same is happening? Either which way, what do you think about the Election Commission, the Central Paramilitary Forces, as well as the Rafales and the warships, etc., that the Trinamool Congress has alluded to? What do you think is the difference all this has caused on the ground?
So, Navika ji, at Access My India, our methodology is very simple. We go to people face to face post-election and talk to them about their voting preferences, whom they voted for and why they voted to. But post first phase of polling, we have gone, myself has also gone there on the ground, and we could speak only 20 to 30% of total of the sample, what we tried to achieve. And 70 to 80% people are not opening their lips. They are not willing to talk to us whatsoever. So in those circumstances, it is very difficult and hard for us to project any kind of prediction. Because if 70% people are not spoken out, we don't know what to do. We decided to hold on to it till second phase, which held today, and try and go again tomorrow. If considering that both the phases are over, now election is over, we will try and talk to people. If we are able to succeed talking to them in our representative sample, we will be coming out with our numbers tomorrow.
And viewers, let's now take a look at some other political reactions on what exit polls had to say about West Bengal.
So if they are showing that, then be sure BJP is going to be 50 or less. Because they are trying to keep up the morale of the party by showing them edge. Oh, they could have given them the two-thirds majority. That itself shows that even the exit is not so confident. And let's wait for the 4th of May. Because we have been on ground. And in fact, all of you have also been on the ground. You should have the pulse of the people. And the pulse of the people is just, is for TMC, because be it as it may, there may be flaws or faults, but BJP is something which Bengal will not accept. Our leadership has come out with clear figures like 235 plus seats for Trinamool Congress.
देखिए, मैं ज़्यादा एग्जिट पोलों पर विश्वास नहीं करता, लेकिन फिर भी मैं बोल रहा हूं कि एग्जिट पोलों में बहुत सारे एग्जिट पोलों में दिखाया गया कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार बनने वाली है। और मैं आपको बताता हूं कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार बनेगी 170 से ज़्यादा सीटों के साथ। भारतीय जनता पार्टी की बहुत ही जोरदार दमदार सरकार बनेगी।
क्रिकेट का जैसे फर्स्ट इनिंग सेकंड इनिंग्स होता है ना, जो जीतने वाला टीम दोनों इनिंग्स अच्छा खेलता है। इसलिए फर्स्ट पार्ट में जो हुआ था फर्स्ट फेज में, सेकंड फेज में उसी का ही कंटिन्यूएशन था, तो मैंने ऐतिहासिक था। मैंने बोला था कि गणेश कुमार ने बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज ली है 2 फेज में चुनाव करने का, अगर इसको ठीक ठाक कर देते हैं तो एक ऐतिहासिक चुनाव होगा। ये सब मान रहे हैं कि ऐतिहासिक चुनाव हुआ, जनता की सहयोग, प्रशासन, पुलिस और कमीशन सब मिल करके जो वोट किया है बहुत अच्छा है, सबको धन्यवाद है। आप ममता बनर्जी इतना सभा करते हैं इतना, लेकिन उनके पास इशू एक ही था, एसआईआर। तो एसआईआर को इशू बना के कोई चुनाव नहीं जीत सकता है, वही हालत उनकी हुई है।
Let's go across to my colleague Shivam, who is joining us live right now for more on this. Shivam, so the poll of polls clearly indicating that it's going to be a really close fight between both the BJP and the Trinamool Congress. But for TMC, it's like exit polls have not really shown the true picture.
Exactly, and it seems like the numbers are as close as Suvendu Adhikari and Mamta Banerjee were, dangerously close at a polling booth yesterday when the campaigning was happening. And these are the, numbers that have come, but the indication came way before. Yesterday, Suvendu Adhikari and Mamta Banerjee, both in their constituency, Bhawanipur, from where they both are standing, both they are contesting the election, were going to each and every booth, were going to each and every ward just to make sure that there is transparency, because they understand that it is going to be a close battle. After the entire polling happened, Suvendu Adhikari came out and said that the voting percentage for Hindus is, much higher in the region of Bhawanipur. However, we have seen relatively when it comes to the, Bengal's number that have gone over 92%, Bhawanipur and Kolkata have voted a little less. So they understand the number of voters are less. That is why can be the competition. And 3-4 wards here and there, anyone can win.
All right. Thank you, Shivam. Appreciate you joining us with all of those details. Let's